Endel versus Brain FM. Which one should you choose? Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. You've probably come across both Endel and Brain FM and wondered which one's actually better for you. Well, both apps are built around sound and focus, but they take very different paths to get there. So let's start with Endel. Unlike typical music apps that rely on fixed applications and fixed playlists, Endel generates adaptive soundscapes audio environments that evolve in real time. It doesn't just loop tracks, instead, it reacts to your surroundings, whether it's evening, cloudy outside, or you're walking around, and shift the sound accordingly. If you wear a fitness tracker, Endel can even adjust based on your heart rate to keep your body and mind in sync. The idea behind it is simple to make audio that blends naturally with your world. You just choose a mode, focus, relax, or sleep, and let it do the rest. It's not about skipping songs or managing playlists. You just hit start, and the atmosphere gently flows and transforms. Every session feels slightly new, as if it's breathing with you. Now, let's dive into the Brain FM. So, now Brain FM takes a more scientific route. It doesn't adapt to your environment like Endel does, but instead works on your brain directly. Its sound design is based on something called neural entertainment. In simple terms, it uses audio patterns that synchronize with your brain waves. These patterns help guide your mind into desired states like concentration, calm, or sleep. The experience is very straightforward. Simply open the app, pick what you want focus, relaxation, or sleep. Set a timer if you like and press on play. You'll quickly notice your thoughts starting to align, ideal for deep work, studying, or creative flow sessions. So, when it comes to how they feel, there's a clear contrast. Endel sounds organic and fluid, almost like being surrounded by soft electronic nature. It continuously shifts in the background, never looping in an obvious way, which makes it perfect if you prefer immersive and ambient environments. Brain FM, on the other hand, is structured and engineered. It feels intentional, built for performance, not atmosphere. The beats are sharper, the pacing more consistent, and it's designed to get results fast. You can almost feel it nudging your mind into focus or rest. So, which one's right for you? If you love when your environment shapes your mood, when sounds move with your energy or surroundings, then Endel is your match. It gives you a smooth, evolving experience that feels personal and natural. But if you want something immediate and predictable, say you're cramming for exams, coding for hours, or need to zone in instantly, Brain FM wins here. It's precision built to get your mind on track in minutes. So, in short, Endel harmonizes with your world. Brain FM fine tunes your mind. Both enhance focus, relaxation, and sleep. They just take different paths to get there. So, it really depends on whether you want something that adapts to you or something that shapes you. So, that's the end of today's comparison. If you found this comparison helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.